Hey there, Javi here with BorrowLenses.com, and today's quick tip is about follow focuses, specifically how to pick a follow focus. So we all know follow focuses are great when shooting video because they provide reduced camera shake and more accuracy when pulling focus. But how do you pick one? We're going to go through 5 options that we carry here at Borrow Lenses and help you pick the right one for your project. First, we're going to talk about our entry-level follow focuses, such as this, the Redrock Micro follow focus. These are more affordable, lightweight, and great for shoulder rigs and smaller camera setups. That said, they are less adjustable. Aside from where you mount it on the rails, there's not much more to adjust. You can't switch the wheel from one side to the other, and you can't make adjustments to the height of the gear. These follow focuses are sometimes not the best quality, and they can introduce some play when you're pulling focus. Next we have our Pro follow focuses. Here we have the bright Tangerine Revolver Atom and the ARRI FF4. These follow focuses have a finer build quality. They're heavier and they won't have as much play when pulling focus. Additionally, they're more adjustable. On this follow focus, for example, you can move the wheel from left to right or reposition the entire arm from left to right to give you an extra inch or two on the rails. When you're fighting for real estate with a matte box, lens support, and a follow focus, every inch goes a long way. Finally, we have electronic follow focuses. Here we have the Redrock Micro remote and the Teradek RT Motion lens control system. These are follow focuses with motors that allow you to turn the lens's focusing ring either wirelessly or with a wired remote. Wired remotes are great when you're not shooting with an AC. You can use them on a gimbal or on a shoulder rig and operate while also pulling focus. The main use for electronic follow focuses is for wireless control. This is for those times where your AC is not working directly on the camera, such as when the camera's on a gimbal or on a jib. It also allows operators to be untethered to another person and move freely if you're shooting action sequences or any other fast-paced motion. I personally love wireless follow focuses, but they're not always the right choice. They add a lot of gear to your setup, such as needing wireless video transmitters or an array of power solutions to power your motors. That said, there's a lot of shots that you can't pull off unless you have a wireless follow focus. So there you have it. You have your budget follow focuses, your more professional level follow focuses, and follow focuses for specialty users. Which one you pick is going to depend on the needs of your shoot. If you want to learn more about these or try them for yourself, check us out at BorrowLenses.com. Thanks for watching.